Morning, everybody. Yeah, I'm super happy that quite a few people already made it this morning, although it was already second day of Breakpoint. So I guess a few people went to a party yesterday. And yeah, there's only one thing that could be better than the first day on Breakpoint. It's, of course, the second day of Breakpoint. Who of you made it yesterday to the Magic Eden party? Makes sense that the people who made it to the Magic Eden party are not here yet. So it was really cool. I actually went to the Ping Pong party yesterday because I just found the name was hilarious. It's made up of DePIN and ping pong, and DePIN is decentralized physical infrastructure, and ping pong, is like played with two clubs at the table. And the funny thing was that at some point a dragon came in and also played ping pong, and actually it was Anatoly Yakovenko. So that was really cool. I really love this connection between, on the one side, you have this spirit of fun, and on the other side, you have learning and all these very deep technical topics. So I think we had an amazing day yesterday. We had so many things that have been presented. So there was Fire Dancer is now live on testnet. So why this is amazing is because Fire Dancer apparently will almost 10 to 100x the performance of Solana, how it is currently. So that is super exciting, and it was a long time in the making, and now it's live on testnet. Then GameShift was announced yesterday. It's a new way how you can build games on chain, built by Solana Labs. It's really cool. I actually tried it out already. You can just sign up the player with an email address. You can with one click or with one API call. You can mint assets. You can also mint assets via USDC. So that's really cool. Then there was another game engine that was announced yesterday, built by Magic Block team. So it will use apparently ephemeral chain of Solana to change the state, and you can do state transitions without fees and in 50 millisecond confirmation times. So all these things are mind-blowing. And on the one side, you have this fun of the founder being a dragon on stage, and on the other side, you have all these incredible technical advancements that we have all the time. And if you had the chance, another thing that I saw yesterday is Threeland has a VR experience in the innovator stage, which is very, very cool. So you go there, you put on this headset, and then you suddenly walk around on the venue, and there's NFTs everywhere. There's big, colorful statues. So if you have the chance, it's in the innovator stage. It will be there all day. Every day they have new collections. They were provided by the collectors team. So all the teams are actually also working together, which is super cool to see. Another example of this is GameShift. It's built by Solana Labs, but actually they are taking all the different ecosystem teams and just put them together into one convenient API. So for the NFTs, I think they use one thing, and then for the marketplace, they use another marketplace that already exists on Solana. So this is really cool. But we are here already on day 2, so we have a very full program today, actually. We're going to start it off with mobile first, D-Reader. D-Reader is a very interesting project. It's bringing comics onto Solana blockchain. So you will be able to you can buy these comics, you can read them within your wallet, and then you can mint them as well. So this will be a very interesting talk about how to go mobile first. And I think mobile first is a thing I heard in many projects this year already, because it's a little bit like in the gaming industry, where at some point most of the games were in the browser, or you played them on the PC. And then at some point, just all the companies suddenly switched to a mobile-first approach. And maybe we will see this now also in blockchain and on Solana. So very excited about that one. Yeah, we have actually the mobile team from Solana Labs here in the audience as well. So they are excited about this as well, of course. Yeah, and I'm also excited to see more games going mobile, because it's just nice if you can play it on the go. Then the second talk we're going to have directly afterwards is by JP Bedoga from Civic. Civic is an identification platform, and what he will talk about is, hey, let's kill the wallet. So I'm very excited about that one. The talk is called "Want to have a better experience? Kill the wallet." So yeah, we will see what he means with that, but I'm sure it has something to do with Civic and identity. So maybe you will be able to use your fingerprint or your Face ID or your identity yourself. So make sure to stay for that one. It's going to be very interesting. The next one is by Yash Agarwal, who will be talking about researching the Solana ecosystem. He's from the Super Team India. If you don't know what Super Teams are yet, that is an initiative by the Solana community, and we have super teams in Germany, in UK, in India, and a few more, and they are amazing. So if you're a developer and you're searching for a community or to get visibility, then these super teams are a great way to get in contact with people. They have also opportunities like you can earn, you can build to earn, you get exposure by them amplifying your content and so on. So make sure to check out the super teams. Yeah, the next one will be a panel, so we will put a few chairs here on stage, and we will have Valentin Madrid from the Squats protocol, and we're gonna have, I'm excited about that one, Elio Jordan Lopez from Into the Verse, because I really want to meet him. And the moderator of this panel will be Seed Ab Akhtar. So this will be a very interesting panel that we will have. And then actually KZ from Orca will be here. Orca is a liquidity protocol on Solana. It's really interesting. I think they became famous by making the concentrated liquidity pools available to everyone on Solana. So this will be a very interesting talk by KZ from Orca. She's amazing, and the talk is called Building Beyond Product. So let's see what this will be about. Then the next one will be by Underdog Protocol. I guess most of you here already know it. They provide an API which makes it extremely easy for everyone to mint NFTs, compressed NFTs, I must say. So yeah, and I think compressed NFTs, you all know, are amazing. They make NFTs super affordable, especially for games would be cool. You can mint all kinds of characters or weapons or so on. And they're gonna talk about using compression NFTs to build a data-rich blockchain. And data-rich blockchain kind of means that, yeah, you can have more data on chain because using compression, it's way cheaper to save state on chain. And yeah, afterwards we will have a panel which will be run by Dan Albert and a bunch of validators, and the panel is called How to Become a Validator. So I'm very excited about that one because I think it's, first of all, it's good for everyone to know how to run a validator. And then it's also cool for, yeah, to meet these people who are running the validators, because these people who run these validators, they are actually running the blockchain. And when you talk to these people, you also know that this is why the blockchain is actually decentralized. If you follow, for example, in the tech Discord, the channels about updating the blockchain, then you know that these validators have actually a very strong opinion on how the network should look like and how it should run. So it's not one entity like Foundation or Labs or whoever he decides, but all the validators who are validating our transactions every day, they have a very strong incentive also to influence the network in a good way. And that's why I'm very excited about this panel.